In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for your Facebook business page. So what you want to do is first sign into your Facebook page. So you can see I'm signed into my personal page right now. What I'm going to do is go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take me here. Now from here I can click on the downwards arrow, and here I can see all of my different pages on Facebook. So I'm going to click on the knowledge base page. And now I should be signed in to knowledge base, and now I'll be able to kind of like act as my page. So now I want to go to the page. So go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're here, you then want to click on your page, and obviously that will take you here. So here is your Facebook page. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to grab the link. So go to the three dots here next to view tools. Then at the bottom here, you should see your page link. All you need to do is click copy link. Now from here, you can then go ahead and close out of Facebook. And now we need to open up a web browser. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome. So open up any web browser. And then once you're on this web browser, you want to then type in QR code generator and free. So once you've done that, you'll then be taken to the results. Now you can really click on any of these. I like to use QR code generator, qr-code-generator.com. So go ahead and click on that. Accept the cookies. And now what you can do is you can paste in your link here. So where it says enter your website or text, you want to then paste in that link. So click allow paste and paste in that whole link. So just make sure that it's all there. So yeah, that's all there. So now we can click on generate QR code. And what that will do is it will generate the QR code for us. And you can decide whether you want a frame or you want it with like a scan me image. You can create this however you'd like, changing the shape and color or the logo as well. So once you've customized that, you want to click on download JPEG in the bottom left. That will then open this window. Just give it a second, close out of this advertisement. You can then see it's generating your QR code, so be patient. Once it's ready, it will then automatically download it. Click download, and you've then got it downloaded to your phone. I'm going to then click on open in, and we can open it in our downloads. Okay, so now we've done that, we should now be able to see it in our downloads. So here it is. Here is that QR code for our Facebook profile. You can go ahead and add this to posters or put this anywhere. I hope that was quick and did help you out.